What's up guys, Brett here from FBAExcel. Got a exciting feature update that we're going to be showing you the Rankx tool integrations and just how easy it is to get using the Rankx data in Keyword Dominator, Metrix, and now Adtactix. So if you are an active user, these feature update videos, they'll be up here at the top right when you log in, so you can get a kind of a quick overview of some of the more recent updates because we do have quite a few. The Rankx tool is a relatively new tool here. You can download it and start using it from this menu, but what it ends up looking like is you just add your ASINs and add all of the keywords that you want to track. If you are in the US, you can actually pick the zip code that you want to track and the time of day that you want to check the rank for. And you just click this green play button and it's going to automatically start checking at that time in that zip code what your rank data is. And what's exciting about this tool is it tracks multiple different placements. So you can see here, you can just kind of filter for different ones. It's got obviously the organic and sponsored, but it's also got highly rated, frequently viewed, trending. It's also tracks sponsored brands like video and the headline search ad placement as well. I don't think I have them in this example, but you get the point, and you can basically just sort. So if you just want to see your organic data, you can see that. If it does not return a result, it basically just means that at that time in that zip code, you were literally not on that page. We aren't using any proxies or anything like that, so it's very accurate data. So pretty cool. And what's even cooler is you can use this URL now in multiple tools. So just real quickly, the Keyword Dominator now has an expandable section here at the end where if you are tracking specific keywords in your Rankx tool, that data will automatically populate and you can kind of toggle a few different options here. And it's as simple in all of the tools as adding your Rankx URL, and there'll be a button in the menu to sync the Rankx data. And just anytime you want to kind of pull that most recent data from the Rankx tool over into the other FBAExcel tool, you can just click that button. So similarly with Metrix, you've just got a import button there that syncs it up, and a similar setting there on the settings tab. And then very similarly with Adtactix, you just drop your same URL right there. And the button to update that is under the Manage Supplemental Data Sync Rankx Data. And Adtactix actually has multiple places that this data gets used, which is pretty exciting. So the first one is in the bid override table, and you'll see this is a souped up version of the bid override table. So we'll have some future kind of new feature update videos similar to this one talking about the new sections here. But for this example, the Rankx data is going to show off here to the right. And the goal here is you can basically drop any target that you're really wanting to work on scaling or keep an eye on the bid override table. You can actually use this as kind of a souped up targeting tab if you're used to that in Campaign Manager, and you can just see a lot of different Amazon centric data and now the rank data alongside everything else. So pretty helpful. So that's kind of where it's showing up there. We've also got a new Adtactix Dashboard. So the purpose of the Adtactix Dashboard is for kind of keyword planning, new launching of campaigns quickly. You can see it does a similar thing with aggregating a lot of Amazon data all in one place. And now you can also see that Rankx data populating here off to the right. So you can kind of keep an eye on your organic and sponsored rank. So that's a few places. We've also got a new column in the search term report. This is actually the boosted search term report. So you import your bulk file, you click this sync button, and then you have a final step if you want to add these additional columns, or you can add the search term boosted columns, and you'll see this rank column populate if your search term is being tracked in the Rankx tool. All right, and then last place that this data is being used is in the boosted columns for Autopilot. So let me show you that really quick. All right, so once you import your PPC bulk file and you sync the data, if you do click this add bulk ops boosted columns, you're going to get all of these additional colored columns in all four of your bulk sheets. So this is just sponsored products for an example. But you can see the first like 4 columns, these are going to be rank related. So it's pulling data from your Rankx tracker import, and if it's a single ASIN structured campaign where you're only targeting keywords and there's only one ASIN in that campaign, then it's going to pull the rank data. So you can see we've got rank results for multiple targets here. And why that's useful is you can not only filter and sort by that in your bulk file, but you can also now use that in Autopilot. So you've got boosted thresholds here. They work very similarly to kind of the standard PPC metric kind of yellow thresholds where you assign different numbers and can run rules based on them. You can now do that with rank related thresholds. So if you can envision running a rule for any target that you're between 1 and 10 organic position, or maybe greater than position 4, you can boost some spend, do stuff like that. So it opens up a lot of flexibility and automation. So if you're interested in learning more about the Rankx tool, trying it out in your account, head over to FBAExcel.io, sign up for a free 7-day trial, and we'll get going. Thanks.